Hello, everyone. Today is April 30th, 2026. This is the Kubernetes Storage SIG meeting. 1.36 just got released last week. So today we will go through the planning spreadsheet, get the final status, and then also we can add new features that we are targeting for 1.37. So I copied this from 1.36. Just add a column here. Okay. Okay, so the first one is volume health.
Hello. Yeah, I'm working on it. I intend to take this alpha in this release. So yeah.
That's alpha 2, right?
Yeah, alpha 2 kind of.
2.
I do not have a.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. 2 in 7. Okay. Thank you. And okay, so this one we already set down. I think we can remove this. Since we just moved to beta, I think we'll need to wait before we move this one to the next phase. Okay, so warning group snapshot also moved to GA, and then the blog also merged. So I'm going to mark the changes to done. And
there are still some changes necessary.
Oh, the sidecars, right?
We need to update all the sidecars to actually use the V1 API because that's not done. And we need to also update the E2E tests to use V1 API.
Yeah, I'll just change. Okay. I'll just say, okay, maybe I'll just, okay. So remaining work. Okay.
If you can moving to V1 API everywhere, I don't know.
Tracking remaining work. Yeah. Okay, still need to change places using API 2v1. Okay, so we'll keep this entry here to track that. Thank you. Next one is a CT sidecar all-in-one. I think for this one, I think we want to, yeah, Yinchi says he couldn't join, but he want to know, have we got a results of the poll on the name of the sidecar? Assad, you created that poll. Did we get enough results?
Let me go take another look,
Okay.
and I'll give you an answer by the end of this.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right, thank you. Next one, mutable season node allocable property. So, okay, this one is already done. So I think we can keep this one, right? Because we also need to, after the GA, I think we need to also like remove the feature gate and all that, right? I will keep this one for that purpose. I'll just say.
Yep, sounds good.
Okay, cleaning work. I'll just say cleanup work. Track. Well, track. Next one is Cozy Overall Mode 2 with an Alpha 2. I think Blaine said he could not join this week. I believe he said that. So this is still in progress, actually. Implementation is still in progress. So we will continue work on this one in 1.37. Next one is the integrate CSI volume limits with autoscaler. This one, is this one still, we still need something in the auto tree level?
Yeah, we still need something in auto tree. Like, it's not mandatory. It just changes, like we it's like a code cleanup, that sort of thing, actually, that we promised for as a follow-up work. So yeah. And then in 137 release, we will I don't know if we can move it to beta, the entry thing. We can. We just made a API change. This minor. Yeah, we can move it to beta actually in this release. Let's target it, and if it skips, then skips, but we'll target it.
Okay, yeah, probably because maybe you want to clarify what are the changes, and let's see, right? Small changes is probably fine. So okay. So it's already, so this is basically, I need to change this one. Okay. 6, and then this is 1.37. Okay. We'll just change that to beta, but then we'll reevaluate. So the next one, so this one is this is done. This one and the next one, those are all done. I think this one since we moved to GA, we probably need to keep this one just for cleanup work. Tracking. And this one, we already moved it to beta. I don't know if they are going to move that to GA in the next release, or are they going to wait? So I'm not sure. So we'll check. I'll just add a note here. To GA. Okay. Next one is secure Linux relabeling.
I would like to flip the final feature gate to GA.
Okay. Move to GA.
It's called SE Linux mount.
Sorry, so I know there are multiple. You moving all of them?
Yeah, like the final one is called SE Linux mount, so that one needs to get GA, and I would like to do it in 137.
Linux mount.
SE Linux mount.
Oh, security. Okay, all right.
SE Linux mount.
Okay, GA 1.37. Okay, so then we can target that one. Let's change here. I'll just say. And next one, CSM migration. What works? Okay, remove feature gate. Okay, I think this one we don't need to have anything, right? Probably we just need to remove this one now. I think we can get rid of this. I was struck. Maybe next time we can just remove this row. I don't think, since we already removed the feature gate, I don't think there's anything else to do. And the same thing with this next one. I'll just check it out for now. Okay, so this is a new feature, snapshot topology.
Yep, so for that one, I saw that you and Michelle reviewed it. I addressed you guys' comments, so just, I guess, awaiting for a re-review.
Are you doing a design or do you want to do alpha in 1.37?
I was going to target alpha for 137, but that depends on when the cap gets marked as implementable.
Yeah, that's fine. I think, you can start to target it, and then if it does not work, you just continue with the designs. Okay, so we'll just change this to target alpha. And then next one is volume replication. We have not in here. Okay, no, there's no update. I guess we can probably move to 1.37 and then see if there's any update. Next one is report when PVC was last used. So this is just reached the alpha, right? Are we going to move this to beta in 1.37?
I don't. We did not. I mean, we could. It's a simple feature. We don't have E2E test at this point, but we should be able to. Jan, what do you think? Any thoughts? I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so
do we have
put a
any
question
volunteer
mark.
that will?
Oh, add a question mark here.
Yeah.
Do we have anybody who will work on it? Because we
Oh,
would like to
what
move it
about
to
the
beta.
person? What about the contributor who was working on it? Is he still interested?
haven't-
Yeah. Okay.
I
I haven't
don't.
talked to them.
Yeah.
You're not
I
sure?
don't know.
Them.
So we can see if there's anybody else want to help, right? Can find if there's any volunteers on this.
Mhm.
Okay. I'll just put a question mark here and then okay, I'll change this one. Just change this one to not started for this cycle for 1.67. And then we'll see if anyone is interested in working on moving this to beta. Next one, CSI storage capacity tracking. Yeah, so there's a cap submitted. I guess we're moving that to 1.37. Okay, I don't know if the author is here today, but I guess assume he want to continue to drive this. So it's already submitted and trying to get people to review it. Next one is the CSI controller get node info.
Yeah, so we had a productive design brainstorm on Tuesday and identified a few threads worth exploring. For example, considering a solution where we figure out the capacity from observed failures instead of relying on the upfront reporting. We also talked about the RPC surface itself, and Ben was poking at whether the SP really needs to pass a full list of volume IDs or whether a count would suffice. In terms of next steps, we're looking at the directional question first, since it doesn't really make sense to debate RPC semantics until we're aligned on the overall approach. So I think next Tuesday at 12 would be a good time to gather again, and I will work with Xing to put something on the calendar.
Okay. Thank you. And and then we have let's see, the rest of them are all crossed out. Oh, okay, so we have this one. I think we need to, yeah, okay. Remove feature gating 1.37. So I think this is entry we need to do in 1.37. Okay. And then beta, targeting beta. Okay, so I will check with the owner of this cap. I remember seeing some update there, so I will check. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not sure if WeWin is working on this. We cross out all of this. Okay, so what is this okay, is this okay, this one we are actually done, right? We don't have anything else to do for this one. We already cross out this. Okay.
Yeah, I think the
When I choose class, is there any remaining work for cleaning up, or are we done? Do we need to? Okay, so we still need to clean up, right? So we log to true, but then the next will be delete the feature gate. Do we have a? It looks like last time we just set it to locked it to true. I'm not sure. Yeah, so we probably need to. Looks like we might. Okay, I will check and see how many releases. We didn't have it here. So when did we set this to true? Okay, I will need to check.
we set it to true in 134. So we should be able to remove this in now. I think so. So yeah.
Okay. Log to 134, remove it in 1.37. So okay, so we have this. And then this feature, this is like a new feature we introduced. I'm not sure if we're ready to move to beta yet, I guess. Okay, I'll leave this one here. Let's see. All right, so that's everything we have. And if you have any features you want to target in 1.37, please let one of the leads know. And let's see, coming back here. Okay, I don't see any other PRs or design reviews or items added. Sad, have you got the chance to check the results?
Yes, let me post it here.
Okay.
So the winner by a small margin is Kubernetes-CSI.
Oh, cool. I like that. Good. It's okay. Let me
22
copy this.
responses, and I think it won by like 2 votes. So
Oh, okay.
and I'll put the chart here as well.
Okay. It's awesome.
It'll be
So,
like Kubernetes CSI / Kubernetes CSI.
yeah.
That's right.
Did we finalize if we are going to move node resize? Sorry,
Everything
node.
will be there. Everything. I think we talked last time. So everything will be. Sorry, what node driver register will be there too. That's why we cannot quit sidecar
Right.
again, right? So yeah, so for that reason, and also like the snapshot, the common snapshot controller, CRDs, everything, those are all in there. So we can't point just a sidecar. That's why we try to have a different name. So okay, okay, let's just go with that name then. Okay, I'm going to let me add a to-do here for myself. Okay, submit a request for a new repo. So I hope they don't they don't have any other problems with this, saying you cannot name it like this.
I'll say I'm glad CSI bundle didn't win. I really wasn't a fan of that one.
Yeah, okay. All right. I guess that's it, right? Anything else? All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Take care.
Thank you.